Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Naruto Rider. Hope you all are doing great. So, I'm late today. I have to reach office by 8:30, and as per as my bike's clock, it's 8:27. It is 5 minutes fast, but still. So, the first information that I want to give you all, which I'm really happy about, is my Independence vlog has crossed 100 views. First video to cross 100 view, not 100k, not a 1k or anything, but still for me it's really exciting that at least 100 people watched it, and definitely they liked it, or they like me, or whatever it is. Hopefully they like the video, because few of them has commented that personally also, that yeah, your video was nice and all. So thank you for that. Hope I will get your continuous support like this. The second thing is, I have made some Indian jugaad for the chin pad and blocked all the vents of my helmet to get some reduction in wind noise, and I'm literally sweating inside it, and fog is also building up in the visor. The major thing is when I'm at a standstill like now, so the maximum fog is being built up in these portions, and no, I don't have a fog film. I will be purchasing a helmet, and I will attach the fog films there. This I will keep as a substitute for some local travels and maybe to office and all. So for those, when I'm riding, so now the fog is getting clear due to the air and all. So for this short rides, 5-10 kilometers, it's bearable, but for long rides it's not bearable. So for the new one, I will be purchasing fog film and a rain film both. And the main thing is I sweat a lot, so I have purchased a fully breathable helmet, which is not so good for rainy seasons, but yeah, I will have to do with it. So I will have to consider my well-being also in mind, because in not so breathable helmets I will just suffocate and die, if not then from the heat. And yeah, I will be ordering a microphone and a new chin mount for the new helmet. This mount which I'm using right now, it's a strap one, so this will be here only. The main problem with the strap-ons are actually quite stable, but the only problem is your visor doesn't close fully, so few amount of noise and wind and dust seeps in. So I will keep this on this helmet, and for the new one I will be purchasing new adhesive mounts. Adhesive mounts. My helmet looks really nasty right now because what I've done is I've used a balaclava sort of a thing and folded it and put it near my chin rest. So it's almost covering nice portion, so I think the hair won't go in. But the main problem is I have stuck it through with sellotape. I didn't want to use glue. The main reason is this is not a permanent solution per se, and the size of the chin pad or whatever, I couldn't measure it to the finest. So in case of any mismatch or anything where it might want to come off, I want to give it that much of free play that it can come off. If it is stuck by sellotape, if it's stuck by glue, it will be tough for it to come off, and that would be bad. When people will see the helmet would look hideous, but I don't actually care about that right now because the helmet safety is as it was before, only the looks has changed, and I'm concerned with the quality of my content rather than the looks of my helmet. I don't know, I will have to listen to this audio clip to understand how much of noise reduction has happened or not. So because I would be using it for shorter rides, so the bike won't cross that much of speed. And as I said, I have closed all the vents that is possible in the helmet, and yes, motovlogging is not so easy. Understand that it's not about, it's really tough in all these situations.